The 5 coolest and most effective hacks to boost sales on your Shopify store in 2018. Hey, what's going on everyone? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Shri Kanase here, bringing to you guys another Shopify video. And this time, we're going to be going over the 5 coolest hacks that I just learned about in order to really boost your conversion rate, which will end up boosting your sales. And before even going into anything else, I just want to say thank you for all the love and support you guys have been showing me. I really do appreciate every single subscriber out there, and also those who do take the time to comment positive comments. So just thank you, and I hope you guys do continue to watch me and find value in my videos. But if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button down below to join the growing family. We're growing extremely fast, and this is a lot of the quality content a lot of people hide, and I don't hesitate to say this because I know for a fact that this is true. And let's just roll right into the video. Alright guys, also one more thing. Make sure to watch the entire video because these are some of the coolest hacks that I have personally found out about, and these hacks have helped me increase my own conversion rate, which is why I'm making this video, because I do know that these hacks are really effective, and the goal should be to implement all of these hacks if you can. But the first hack, I've hidden part of it, is that you should include a buy now button at the very bottom. And let me change the font color of this because I turned this to white. Alright, so the first hack that I've personally learned about is that you should definitely be including a buy now button at the very bottom of your description. The main reason why I suggest this for everyone is because when a customer lands on your landing page, they're usually interested in the product and want to get to know more about the product. So what they usually do is that they go onto your landing page and look at the images first. Then they slowly start scrolling down and start reading the description. They want to basically get an idea of exactly what this product is and how it benefits them. So again, emotional appeal. But what they also do is they keep on scrolling down and down until they get to the very bottom of the description. And that is exactly why it is so effective to have a buy now button, because when they get to the bottom of the description, you want to make sure that they see that buy now button so they don't have to scroll all the way up to click the buy now button. Remember, there's one very easy hack that you should always remember when doing e-commerce. It's the less work you make your customer do, the more sales you're going to get and the more happy your customers are going to be. The main intention of this hack is to make your customer do less work and prevent them from having to scroll all the way up again. And just go ahead and continue with the checkout process at the very bottom. And I have an example for you guys where a website did implement this trick, and let's go over to the website and see. So the website is Wiki Trends, and if you look at the website, it is a Shopify store, and it has some of the things that a good Shopify site should have. They have the scarcity bar over here with the app, most likely Her5, and they have the trust badges. But when you keep on scrolling down, you see they have the description, and also at the very end of the description, they have the buy now button along with the trust badges. I think this website did a little too much with the trust badges, because I would personally only include the buy now button, and the main reason is that having trust badges once again clutters up your website, and usually the more images you have in your site, the slower the loading time. So if you already have trust badges up here, you don't need to have them again at the bottom. But this is the perfect example of how you should have your buy now button and where it should be placed. So right at the very end of the description, because once your customer rolls through the description and reads everything, they see this buy now button and immediately click on it, and it makes their life super easy. So this is the first hack on my list, and it is a very effective hack. The second hack on my list is that you should make sure 100% before even launching that you have the order tracking page available on your website. Guys, I can't tell you how important this is, mainly because if there is no order tracking page on your website, how the hell would a customer track their order? Because when a customer is on the website, they want to be sure that they will be able to track their order after they have purchased something from you. But if they're scrolling through your website and they don't even see a tracking page or order tracking page, personally I would not even think about going ahead with the purchase, because it would be a little bit too risky for me. I mean, what kind of trustable website does not have an order tracking page? So this is the second hack that you guys need to make sure that you have on your own website. It needs to be pop out and be at the very top. Let's go back to the website we were just on to show you guys exactly how it should be. So as you can see, right next to the shop collections drop down menu over here, there's a track order page as well. And this is exactly what you need. This website actually redirects the person to 17track.net, which I think is really smart because usually these tracking applications actually require a lot of money. But this is something you can do as well. This is part of this hack, which is you can just redirect the person to 17track.net, which is an universal website for tracking orders. And it works really well with e-packet shipping. So if you guys are looking to save some extra money, definitely do try this hack. But in addition, make sure to have the tracking order somewhere above in the header. The very third hack on my list is that in the footer menu, you should include your support email and a phone number if available. So if we go ahead and go back to the website and scroll all the way down, the footer menu is exactly this part over here, and this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, this store has their support email right below the store details, but personally I think that they should change this and put it in a different place under a different title called customer service and have their email there as well as a phone number if available. But when again a customer is on a landing page and they scroll all the way to the bottom, usually the footer comes into sight, and in the footer menu is just adding a little trust factor when you have an email and a phone number available, because that lets the customer know that this website is indeed something they can rely on and trust. So this is definitely something that you should include in your footer menu if you haven't already, just to add that little trust factor and increase your sales. The fourth and one of the most important hack in my list is that you should definitely include one photo or GIF in your description. But a key note here is that you should not exceed more than 2. And again, the main reason is because it slows down your website and it also clutters up the description. At most, you want 2 photos in your description. And let's go back to the website because it is honestly a perfect example for everything I have on my list. But if we scroll down and look at the description, we can see they have one image right over here, and if we scroll down, they have another GIF below that image, and this is perfect, exactly something you would want in your own descriptions. It's very clean and it doesn't clutter up the description too much. And one thing I like is that they have a little photo which says try it risk-free for 30 days. Again, these are trust factor things that you should have on your website, but the photos play an important role in the description because as a customer is scrolling through the description, the photos add somewhat more of a trust factor to the item itself because they can see the item in process. As you can see over here, there's like a demonstration going on in this GIF, but a simple image works fine. And this would be my fourth hack. And now on to the last hack for you guys, which is hard coding a hour guarantee or shipping policy into your item descriptions. And if you haven't guessed it already, let's go back to the website and show you guys exactly what I mean. So if we scroll all the way down, we can see that this website has an hour guarantee over here. And this is not something they insert every time when they're adding new products, but it is something that is hard coded into the website itself. And it's really simple. You just have to chat with Shopify. Just type on Google Shopify chat and let them know that you want to hard code a message just like this or something similar at the very end of your description, and they will do it for you for free. But as you can see, this guarantee section over here says that we truly believe we make some of the most innovative products in the world, and we want to make sure we back that up with a risk-free ironclad 30-day guarantee. I don't know about you guys, but this is enough to make me go ahead and purchase this product because I'm getting a 30-day money-back guarantee. What else would I need, right? This adds again a trust factor to the overall website. And they also speak about customer service and how they have 24/7, 365 days ticket and email support. These small things really make a difference on your conversions if you guys haven't noticed already. These hacks that I'm going over may seem small and impractical in a sense, but in reality, these hacks are going to help you boost your conversion rate from 1% or 2% to 4% and 5%. And that is exactly why my own store has over 5% conversion rate consistently, because I have implemented these hacks and played around with them to see what works and what doesn't in order to get that conversion rate higher. And what does a higher conversion rate mean? It means that I'm getting more sales. So for example, let's go back to our Google Doc. The main reason why we have to really focus on conversion rate is, let's go ahead and take for example that 100 people visit our website, so 100 visitors. And out of those 100 visitors, if you have a conversion rate of 2%, only 2 people purchase something. So you get 2 purchases out of those 100 visitors. But if you have a conversion rate of 4% or 5%, let's take that scenario once again. So 100 visitors, but this time 4% to 5% purchases, because that's what 4% or 5% conversion rate is. So 4 to 5 purchases. And let's say our average order value each time is around $30. So in the first case, we get a total sale value of $30 times 2, which is $60. So 30 times 2, which is 60. But in the second scenario, we get 45 purchases. So 30 times 4 slash 5, which is equal to, oh, that changed that to 4/5, but that's 4 slash 5, not 4/5. But that changes to $120 to $150. So with these simple tricks, we literally boosted our sales 2 times, 2 to 3 times. And we got a much higher return on investment from this. So I would highly recommend that you try to implement all of these hacks into your own website. And if you guys have any types of questions or concerns, do let me know in the comment section. I'm always looking to help you guys improve your Shopify journey. But if you guys did find value in this video, make sure to hit that little like button down below, and I'll see you guys next time.